Hello guys, today I'll be sharing my thoughts about the OnePlus Buds Z which were recently launched along with the OnePlus 8T. I'll be telling you about the pros, the cons and everything in between about these OnePlus Buds Z which were launched recently. So let's get started. So looking at the prices of these OnePlus Buds Z, these have been launched at Rs 3200, but as there are festive offers going on, the price has been reduced up to 2990 rupees. Now looking at the case of these OnePlus Buds Z, they seem to be quite premium. They have a glossy finish on them and have a flat bottom. As you can see, they lay flat on the surface. There is a glossy finish on them, some markings on it, but it's quite good. As you can see, there is a reset button given and then there is a USB-C charging case. It supports fast charging. These OnePlus Buds Z have 10mm of drivers as compared to the 13mm of drivers which were present on the OnePlus Buds. These have 2 mics as compared to the 3 mics which were present on the original OnePlus Buds. As you can see, I've opened up the case and there is a LED indicator present on it. Now let's take a look at the ear tips of these OnePlus Buds Z guys. As you can see, these are the in-ear types of the earphones which you're going to get, and they have touch sensitive controls on this. This is the pad on which you're going to test. These have 1 mic on each earphones each side. As you can see guys, this is pretty ergonomic and they're going to fit easily into your ears. There's a magnet present inside the case and these are not going to fall off or drop off no matter how you shake it. Even if you close the case, it will not fall off no matter what. So that's pretty nice guys. Let's talk about some of the specifications which were given on the box. As you can see guys, here it's written bass boost, 20 hours of battery life, that's pretty good, water and sweat resistance, comfortable and cool design and seamless connection. Well, I'll be telling you all about that in my review. So let's get started. One more thing that I would like to add up is that these OnePlus Buds Z are IPX5 rated, water and sweat resistance, but you cannot take it to swim or you cannot drop it inside water or anywhere else for that case. So beware. As you can see, I am not going to try it for once. So yeah, you also don't. Now let's talk about connectivity guys. As you can see, I have connected my OnePlus Buds Z to my OnePlus Nord device. As you can see here, these are connected right now. As you go into the settings option, you will see the battery percentage for the case, for the left and the right earbuds. Here we have some options like find my device, double click on the left earbud, double click on the right earbud, and HDACC audio, phone calls, media audio, contact sharing. These all options are available to you. The most important of them is the auto update firmware which you'll get time to time. There is one more option of function description that will tell you and teach you how to use the OnePlus Buds Z accordingly. Now as you click on this option, you can customize your touch controls to play, pause, voice assistant, previous track and next track. Now I'll be telling you my little secret on how to increase the bass on the OnePlus Buds Z. As you scroll down into the menu, you can see the sounds and vibration options present here. Now when you click on it, there is this equalizer option on which you can preset your music to bass boost, treble boost, and it is going to be awesome as I love more bass as compared to treble. For all the bass lovers out there, this is going to be a boon guys. So yeah, you can do this. And when you go back, there is this earphone mode on which you can select the autoplay, the smart answer to Bluetooth and notification ringtone in the earphones. All these customization keys are available to you guys. So yeah, that was all about the connectivity. Now let's jump on to how the sound quality of these OnePlus Buds Z are actually. As you can see guys, right now I'm playing a video on the YouTube and as soon as I remove the ear tip, the video will stop, and as soon as I put it back right in, it will play again. This is a very nifty feature that you won't get usually in these price range. So yeah guys, this is something that I wanted to tell you. Now talking about the sound quality of this video. As for the sound quality of this video guys, which I am playing right now, it is neither very bass heavy nor it is very treble heavy. These OnePlus Buds Z are very balanced earphones, I would say. The highs, the mids and the lows on these earphones guys are very balanced. It's not something like you're putting on your big earphones and you'll be able to hear the little instrumentation that is going on in the background of some song or something like that. So now let's jump on to the decibel test and the latency test. As you can see guys, the latency on these are very good. There would be no lags whatsoever on whichever game you play, be it Call of Duty, be it PUBG Mobile. The left earbud sound test, the right earbud sound test, everything just works fine. Even the frequency test works fine. So if you're listening to radio or something like that, that would also be fine. So yeah guys, I would suggest you can buy these earphones if you want for day-to-day usage, not something which you want to do very professionally, not very professional gaming or something like that, or you want to listen to music for long hours. Talking about the battery life on this thing guys, it can charge up to 20 hours and give you battery life of 20 hours, and on a single charge it will play back up to 3.5 to 4 hours, and if you put the earphone in the case, it will charge it in 10 minutes and last you about 4 hours. So that's it guys, this is my review of the OnePlus Buds Z and these are great. So guys, down in the description box below there's going to be a coupon for ₹200 and ₹500 which you can avail if you go through my link. There'll be a coupon given in the description box below from which you can avail all these discount coupons and you can get them for lesser price on the oneplus.com. In my next video guys, I'll be talking about the cases, the accessories and all other things related to the OnePlus Nord. So if you want this video, please give it a like, share the video, subscribe to my channel, and yes, please do leave a comment.